tunaohudumu pamoja nao hapa kutoka upande wangu wa kulia. Yule
asifiwe. Hamkunielewa? Bona
Today in this country, there's been a lot of conversation that we have reached a situation where children can now stand up to parents, can now stand up to adults. And therefore today, I will want to challenge all the parents who are here that we have a responsibility. The fact that we are an open society, the fact that we can say whatever we want to say and get away with it, we cannot allow our children, as their ill keepers, to just do things and get away with it when we well know that that is not the way of the Lord. We teach our children to be courteous. We teach them to follow the law and respect the law and many other things, so that when our time is up, we live a society that is much better than we found it.